we're at that, we are shifting our focus as we're getting some more breaking news on the broadcast. And this concerns Mahua Moitra and how the Bharatiya Janata Party is training its guns against Moitra again. What has happened in this particular case is that Moitra ended up responding to a tweet which asked as to when Rekha Sharma, who is the chairperson of NCW, will be visiting Hathras. To that, the TMC MP said that Rekha Sharma was too busy holding up her boss's pajamas. Now, the BJP has slammed Mahua Moitra for insulting the NCW chair and also demanding her resignation now. So BJP is also questioned as to why Moitra did not speak about visiting Sandesh Khali or even visit the Chopra victims.
महुआ मोइत्रा द्वारा एक बेहद अभद्र, आपत्तिजनक और शर्मनाक ट्वीट आया है और वो भी केवल महिलाओं के विषय में नहीं बल्कि राष्ट्रीय महिला आयोग की अध्यक्षा के विषय में। आज सवाल ये बनता है कि ऐसा अभद्र और इस प्रकार का ट्वीट आने पर क्या महुआ मोइत्रा पर कार्रवाई होगी? क्या उनको एमपी पद से बर्खास्त करेगी टीएमसी? ये पहली बार नहीं है। मां काली के विषय में और अन्य कई सारी टिप्पणियां इस प्रकार की उन्होंने लगातार की है। मां काली का तो अपमान किया था उन्होंने। आज सवाल ये बनता है कि महिलाओं के विषय में बोलने वाली प्रियंका चतुर्वेदी, प्रियंका वाड्रा, राहुल गांधी, खड़गे जी, सोनिया जी, आम आदमी पार्टी ये चुप क्यों है?
Let me take this across to my colleague Payal Mehta, who's joining us live on the broadcast. Payal, it is known to all that Mahua Moitra has been one of the most vocal leaders of the Trinamool Congress. Considering she has put out this tweet, of course, there is ample amount of taking it to task by the Bharatiya Janata Party. They are not ready to relent and they, in fact, are seeking her resignation. Is this going to see another bout of war of words between the Bharatiya Janata Party and the TMC MP?
Well, most certainly, given the fact that Mahua Moitra is time and again known to make controversial remarks and make below the belt remarks, for her to talk about the fact that Rekha Sharma is busy in, doing something which she should not be doing and, using derogatory language for that is certainly not going to be acceptable to the BJP. The BJP will take it up in arms, will be up in arms against Mahua Moitra, essentially questioning her party leadership and her. Why did they not speak on Sandesh Khali? Why did they not show sympathy for the people of Sandesh Khali, especially the women? And why is it now that they want to just target? Okay, it's okay for political parties to ask somebody else saying that you're not doing your job properly, to go and do your job properly. But to use the language that Mahua Moitra really used, in fact, is something which is not going to be acceptable to the BJP at large, and the BJP will go up in arms against her. We've already seen the remark coming in from Shehzad Poonawalla, and you can see more and more reactions going to come from Bengal after this controversy has now hit ground.
Also, Payal, considering the last time where Mahua Moitra came face to face with the ethics panel, there was again round one between the BJP and the TMC MP. It sort of went to her. Do you think this is another bout that we are looking at, considering BJP is not wanting to concede defeat and this is a nitpicking also happening in anything and everything that Mahua Moitra says?
Well, Mahua Moitra is the fiery leader. Undoubtedly, she's come back to power again from her constituency. That's also another story altogether. But you, as a member of parliament, as a responsible citizen, can't be seen using certain kind of language. Even then, in the ethics panel, she used derogatory language against the panel chairman. That is something also which the BJP had objected to in a big way. And you can expect this to become into a huge snowball, given the fact that Mahua Moitra, they say, is a habitual offender, and probably that's the reason she gets protection from Mamata Banerjee, because Mamata Banerjee also believes in speaking this language. So that's the question the BJP really will be asking. What happened to Sandesh Khali? Why did you not speak about it? Why did you not come out and condemn it? Why did you not go and visit Sandesh Khali? Because even the sitting member of parliament, from there, the actress and politician over back then, had not even spoken in Sandesh Khali herself, had not visited Sandesh Khali herself.
Yes.
So this is a question that the BJP essentially is asking.
All right, Payal, thank you so much for all of those details.